Good morning. And if you're new here, I'm Jeanine, and this is my kitchen, my brand new kitchen. We've been renovating it, and we finally finished it, and we're going to give you a little tour today. So come on in and see. I'm going to add the before. You won't believe it. Here is this first beginning. This wasn't here. We added drawers because I like drawers. They get more stuff into them. I'm not going to go into showing you inside them because they're kind of messy. But in any event, this is the glasses, some bowls we don't use. This is going to be like my little, I could put wine here when we're entertaining or other things. I'm going to keep just 2 pasta jars out. If you know me in my kitchen, I used to have 100 of them. And in Florida, my other kitchen, I still have many, but I'm cutting back. Now, everything in here is new. This was a complete gut job. All new. Everything is new. It was from the 60s. This is a co-op building. And they were rather ugly, old, and the entire kitchen was white and the floor was tiled white. So we put everything. I wanted to go with the two-tone because in Florida, my kitchen's completely white. It was like the sixth white kitchen we had done. I was tired of it. So I thought, why not do the two-tone? And I'm very happy with it. I like the wood tone on the top and the black on the bottom because I'm the roughest here. This is a beautiful LG dishwasher. Vinny loves this. My husband picked it. I let him because he's into this stuff and he wants to show everyone his top knife rack. I wouldn't know about this because he does when we load it. Vinny does it. He likes that. So that's a beautiful LG and all the controls are here. So we like that. This sink, this was a happy accident, guys. This was supposed to be over here originally. But yesterday when this isn't granite, this is quartz. When I call them the granite guys, when the quartz people came to install, there wasn't enough room here. So they called me out of the bedroom. I was doing some stuff in there researching. And they showed me that it had to go on an angle. So I said, hey, I kind of like that. And that's the happy accident. So that's that. Here is beautiful, brand new to me. I've never had an LG stove of this style, size, magnitude, whatever have you. I made a short video that my smart stove made me stupid, and it's true. I really don't know how to use all of it yet because it has an air fryer feature. I just thought it was a beautiful stove. I really, truly did. I just think it's got a very big convection fan. It's just beautiful. And like I said, it has the basket. I put it down here. It has the air fryer ability, but I have to read everything because I don't know. And the other nice option is, I don't want to scratch any of my stuff. I've had this before. It has the griddle feature. I can have the 5th burner for big pans, frying, whatever have you, cutlets, meatballs. And if we want to do grilled cheeses and pancakes, we just pull that out. So I thought this was a great stove and I'm very happy with it. But that part I know how to work. The 5 burners are all good. Okay, I was going to do a video last night. We wound up barbecuing, but truth be told, I made skewers that were not good. We didn't care for them. Got extra space over here. This was a much smaller cabinet, so it grew a few inches and show them how high up it goes. And I keep a mixing bowl here. I'm not a big baker. You guys know that if you've been with me. I keep the strainer and small stuff, but it was much tighter. The microwave used to be here, and it was an eyesore, and I didn't like it. So we moved it, and we'll show you after this side. This is really all I have for prep space. I had shown you guys, and like I said, I'm going to link the original kitchen video to this video. You're seeing it as I'm speaking, I'm sure. But this is drawers again. This was a cabinet. Okay. And these are what do you call this, Vin, when they silently close? They don't make noise. I've gained so much more storage. So
It's soft close.
Soft close. I call it foot close. Okay. And here, I'll show you because I'm proud of it. And you guys know I just did a video on spices. So when I got this done, I was like, wow, ta-da. Oh, I knew where these were missing. I knew there was a blank here that didn't belong. There is my Pride and Joy spice cabinet. You guys can all see that's my fresh nutmeg and saffron, the most expensive spice in the world. I love to say that. And there's an extra peppermill. I got peppermills. Okay, so I love this. I have a lot of space now. I'll be cooking up a storm. Okay, and I put some extra things up there, which I wasn't utilizing. Now let's turn around. Vinny's going to come around this way. Maybe if you want to come out there. And this is my favorite section. I call this the breakfast section, the morning section, whatever have you, because I've organized it in a way that his coffee. He keeps his cereal up here because Vinny has a ritual every morning and it's lovely. Nothing wrong with that. But he grabs his cereal, his walnuts, his cranberries, his juice glass, and his bowl. He's very organized, my honey. And he sits down here and prepares it. Then the toast is there. This is also the bread, coffee, snack drawer. So I keep coffee in here. And lunch snacks, you see me preparing sandwiches here. I did a couple of lunch little things. He has his protein drinks, peanut butter. We have a lot of space in here now. Cookies, more snacks, popcorn for movie night, and even some chocolate Hershey's Kisses, okay? So this is serving us very well. He loves these breakfast things. It's convenient. That's the point of this. Love, love, love it. He's added in the cabinet lights for me. Forgive the little bit of smudge on them because we really didn't give it the overall yet. We're going to do that. Where today's 4th of July. When we get home, we'll give it a little bit more. But I didn't want to take too much longer to show you guys and reveal it. You know, I knew you were waiting to see it, and I was excited to share it and show it. So I got so much more space. We added these inserts in wood. They didn't come with them, but they're nicely made cabinets. We're happy. Yeah, you screwed them in? Why?
Yeah, because they kept shifting.
Oh, she didn't tell me as well. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, don't tell me
Just
that on
hold it.
camera next time. Okay, moving along. I love putting the microwave here. I got a more slender one, which really, we don't need more space in this, and that's a little messy. I spilled something in it last night. Excited to use it. And like I said, everything's going to get shinied up, and it was just a... Yeah. Oh, that was the other thing I had mentioned to you. I wasn't going to wait. I told you in a video, it may take me till next summer when we come back because we leave in November for Florida in the winters. But I'm not going to rush because already I told Vinny, just put a clean coat of white on. And I'm glad I did because now I know I don't want pure white here, like a railroad tile or some things we were looking at with white. I do want a contrast. There's a bit of gray in here, but I don't think I'll go with that. So I'm going to take my time. I'm not going to rush. Every kitchen I've done, I've rushed, and it's going to be here forever. So I have to be patient. Okay. Oh, here it is. Nice. I want to show you this. We got the extra drawers, but now this is where all my pots and pans go. The slide up. I got to get steel wool and clean that because I'm not proud of that. I pride myself on keeping my pans like new. The shine. See? This one actually needs to get one. Steel wool and elbow grease. Okay. So I'm happy with that. And I'm not going to, I have my big pots in the other one. I'll show you. I'm not going to keep more than that. This is just our 1-bedroom New York apartment, and I don't want to overcrowd it. This gave me big space. I'll show you the upper before we show you the fridge. Again, oh, more pasta. See, I'm hiding it. But these are my pans to bake. I grabbed this easily for my salad bowl. This is our salad bowl. If we're going to make spaghetti, I know it's there. It's the only pasta I'll keep because, believe it or not, guys, the height, it fits no other cabinet. And I had to just buy that because my other spaghetti jar was too short and the lid wouldn't close. So there you go. You have to have the tall one, and then you have to have space to put it. It's got all the bumpers on here and the walls as well. So because somebody said, well, the door from the microwave hit the wall. No, it didn't. Here's another thing we like. Where's just a light here? I can't see without my glasses. Anyways, this is water and ice, and this is an absolute luxury in a 1-bedroom apartment in New York City, and co-ops and condos and these older buildings. You just don't have it unless you renovate and add it in. Okay, here's our freezer and refrigerator. He's looking for the light. It's here, I think. Mm-hmm. There you go. Okay, here's our freezer and fridge. Let Vinny come in, take some space and show you. It's absolutely gorgeous. We love the ice maker. I could pull it down here if we were doing a party. Let me see, I need a whole bag full for margaritas or something. So we would just do that. I'm going to do a refrigerator organization because right now it's not organized. But I'm going to do a video for you guys because I went to the Dollar Tree in Florida and I did the whole refrigerator and organized it. Now, I have never done this, but this was a sneaky little thing because I was hungry and I didn't have a sink. When they took the sink out, I was nibbling on this egg salad and I left myself a fork here. Smart girl, handy trick. See, and we're gonna reorganize it. Okay, I'm gonna do a video for it. And I think that is everything here. Show them these drawers here. Wait, come around this way. Show them under the sink. Everything got so much more spacious, so much more storage for us. We keep the garbage in here underneath. That's a big saver. I'd like to get a pull-out one for the cleaners. See if we do that, because I'm going to tighten it up now and really get it organized. Come turn around and show them the drawers here, and then we'll show them the cappuccino section. This is where I keep the bigger pots. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's plenty. Big pot of sauce and meatballs, some pasta to boil, plenty space there. Dedicated drawer for paper goods and towels and foil and sandwich bags. You guys know I live on these sandwich bags. They're in my daily life. I'm always storing something. I don't care if it's a half a sandwich. And then another junk drawer. Who doesn't have their famous kitchen junk drawer? We all do, and that's mine. It's got to get organized. And then around here is the extra cappuccino maker. And again, I gave it a dedicated spot because up here, you can see we keep the espresso cups, the coffee, espresso coffee, the demi-tasse, little espresso. We make lattes and cappuccino. They're quite delicious. That's tea. And then pancakes and oatmeal. Kept those things there. And extra bowls. A few little things like that we kept. And like I said, tea and power drink powder. And when we're not using this and it's not coffee time, we could take this, like I said, switch it to wine o'clock, and we could come over here and open up a bottle of wine and have a good meal and a great night. And that, my lovely YouTube people, friends, if you like me and what you see, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me grow. This is our new New York kitchen. And I am Jeanine from Jeanine in the Kitchen with Jeanine. And we're going to be cooking real soon. Today's 4th of July. I'm going out. It's a day off for all of us. I wish you the best 4th of July ever. I'll see you in the next video.